Thank you, Erica. I now invite J Love or Jack Lawrence Acevedo Rivera to share the group's discussion.
Hello, Holy Father, everyone. I am Lawrence Acevedo from Tondo, Manila, a financial aid scholar studying psychology at Ateneo de Manila University. I was moved by the story of my Muslim sister Jaya, a member of a minority Muslim ethno-linguistic group in Mindanao, who are confronted with the consequences of land injustices due to colonization and lack of education, as well as gender discrimination against Muslim women that are playing an active role in the society. A Muslim code delegate also fears for his life as he is stereotyped as a terrorist. I, myself, am outcasted and bullied due to my bisexuality, my gayness, my identity, and being a son of a single parent. My mother cannot divorce my father. Please allow divorce in the Philippines and stop using offensive language against the LGBTQIA plus community. This leads to immense pain. Due to this, I developed bipolar disorder and I am stigmatized. We, the Filipinos, are victims of systemic poverty, forcing most our parents to go abroad to become overseas Filipino workers while we become working students. This erodes our family values and relationships. Our culture also suppresses emotional expression. This leads to risky behaviors. The Philippines has one of the highest rates of HIV transmissions and suicidal ideations in the world.